AI companies aren't the problem. The problem is they don't want to pay you. They built billion-dollar tools using your music, your images, your voice, all without asking. Why? Because they said asking for permission would kill the AI industry. Let that sink in. Meta's former policy chief said giving creators control would ruin the AI business model. They call it fair use. But what they're really doing is looking for a loophole, hoping the law won't catch up. Because if the law catches up, the money slows down. And right now, they're racing to lock it in. If you're a producer and you want to sample a track, you clear it, you pay for it, you get approval. But these AI companies, they want to sample your entire catalog without even a DM. Not just one track, your whole voice, your style, your catalog. And they expect you to smile and watch them do it. In the US, creators have to opt in to let their work train AI, but in the UK, they tried to flip it, opt out only. If you don't say no, they act like you said yes. And the biggest artists in the world already spoke up. Do not let this happen. But what about you, the independent creator? You think they'll wait for you to catch up? Meanwhile, AI startups are training their systems on your content and selling tools that compete directly with you. Tools that sound like your music, write like your script, move like your style. And they expect you to be okay with that. No credit, no check, no control. That's why we built 369 Admin Group. Not just to protect your work, to give you power to monetize it your way. You don't need to chase playlists. You don't need to chase labels. You don't need to chase Silicon Valley. You need structure. You need ownership. We're not reforming the system, we're replacing it. Join the platform built for creators, not built on them. Protect your IP, build your business, and stop letting AI eat off your plate without paying the bill. This is 369 Admin Group. We don't chase gatekeepers, we build the system.